vlogging today. Today is Sunday. We just are about to run some errands today. We have no goals, but I want to go to Costco because I'm a member of Sam's Club, and there's a Costco near us but kind of far out, and I kind of just want to go to Costco, and I'm thinking about getting a day pass and thinking about becoming a member of Costco. But these are the things I enjoy: Costco, Sam's Club, BJ's, you know. So I think that's what we're about to do now. I do want to look for a new couch, so that's the one reason that we're going to Costco, because we saw on TikTok that there's a couch there and we need a new couch for our living room. I didn't intro. Let me intro now. Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha, and today is a vlog. On my channel normally though, I've been talking about fashion, beauty, lifestyle. Today's a vlog, family vlog, hanging out with the family today. So hang out with us. We're probably on our way to Costco. I kind of want to go and get a Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee. Troy's in the store right now. He's about to come out in a second, but yeah, we're vlogging today. Hang out with me and my family today. I want to do some meal prep for the week, and I want to get some stuff for the kids' lunches and stuff like that. So we will do that today. And I don't know what else. Probably do some home stuff when we get home. I gotta do laundry, things like that. Yeah, I gotta pick up a few things for my mom from the grocery store for her. And yeah, that's it. Wanna say hi, guys? Nope. Miles, wanna say hi? Yes. Say hi.
Hi, buddy.
Wave your hand.
Hi. Are you got that night?
Let me see you with them on, Easton.
Your turn, Easton.
Ooh, you look like mommy.
And now it's my turn.
Okay, don't break them.
Okay. You had the glass for like 2 years.
They're upside down.
Upside down.
You gotta turn them upside down. Okay guys, I am back home and I'm a hot mess. Never mind this mess behind me. Why is hanging? Lord have mercy, Jesus. And look, this mascara. I washed my face this morning. Don't get it twisted, but I wore waterproof mascara yesterday accidentally. I actually don't like waterproof mascara because it never comes off. I hate that so much. Like, I scrubbed my face. Not scrubbed, but you know, cleansing oil, whatnot. Anyway, it's been many hours later. I actually took like a 30-minute nap on the couch with the kids, and now I'm upstairs hiding because they keep asking me for snacks. We're going out to dinner later. We're going to Texas Roadhouse. I thought we were going to cook today, but we're not. So yes, for me, we have a bunch of coupons for free kids meals, so we're doing that. We got all the things we needed for Sam's Club for the week. I got some grilled chicken. I got some things for dinner, some snacks for lunches. So we're good there. The only thing I forgot was tuna, which pisses me off. But I got my laundry detergent. I got my scent beads, which I need to take in the other room. I have 4 loads of laundry to do, to fold. I'm about to put another load of laundry in because I need to get Easton and Miles clothes for school laid out. So we're gonna do that later tonight. So I want to show you guys a few things I purchased recently. I'm actually thinking about going on a no buy, but I want to show you guys these because I'm about to actually film a TikTok too and a short. So I figure I'll show you guys in the channel also. So you might have seen this in my short form or in a reel or something like that. But let me go get it. Okay guys, do I want to sit down? Yeah, I'll sit down. I'm actually really tired. This is the load of laundry I have to do. Oh, I got my scent beads. Do you guys use scent beads? Don't look at that box over there. I got a Sephora haul too. Whew. These are scent beads from Downy. I love these. I love the way they smell. I can't survive without these. So I'm always at Sam's Club buying them. And I don't know why that's in here, but anyway, I need to put it in my laundry room. Okay. So if you're not familiar with like the Margiela Tabi shoes, I've been looking for them and wanting to try them. I really like that style. I've wanted the boots for a very long time, and as we're going into spring, I really wanted a pair of these for spring. I really wanted a tan pair, but I found an alternative to the Margiela Tabis, which are quite expensive. I'll put the retail price on, but I purchased an alternative from Maison Nakamoto, which another creator by the name of Zoe Marie here on YouTube. She also posted it on TikTok as well. I follow her on both platforms. She mentioned this brand. I've seen this brand before, but I wasn't sure if it was a scam. But these are the cutest little Tabi dupes. They're really good. They have like this leather support on the inside. I know these aren't for everyone, but I love this. I think it's very unique. It has a little bow, little tassel here. I just think these are so good. I don't think they're 100% leather, like genuine leather. I can't tell. Let me see. I don't think so. But these are super cute. I really like these. I like that they're black too, because they don't really scream like Margiela, but they're really cute on too. They're really cute. I really like them, and I plan on wearing them this spring. I want like a really bright spring colored ballet flat, but I haven't found what I want yet. Okay, so they also came with little socks to wear with them. I know this isn't everyone's cup of tea. It's a very different, unique like style. I think it's cute. I think it's different. I like the way they look. I think they're really cute, and they're really comfortable, and they're really soft. I need to check and see if these are genuine leather or not. I'll put it on the screen. But then, and I got them in a 41, and they are very true to size, but they just look so cute. Like, they're so cute. I think they're so cute. So I love them. Yeah, super cute. They smell like leather, so I think they are leather, and they're super soft, and they feel so nice on. They have a nice like good sole. I love that it has this like support on the inside. It's very cushiony. It's like really well crafted. I don't know how else to really explain that, but they were pretty affordable. I think they were $99, which is pretty good. So yeah, I'm really excited about them. That's all I have for you guys today. I did purchase another blazer from the Real, and I'll put that insert right here, but honestly, I'm ready for spring. I'm so ready for spring. So we're gonna do some laundry. I'll let you guys see me do that for the next hour or so. I feel like if I at least get a little bit of laundry folded when I come home later after dinner, after a full belly of food, I won't feel like I've accomplished nothing all weekend. But it's like you spend all week working and like just surviving, and then the weekend you're supposed to like cram all these things in: laundry, cleaning, resetting for the week, relaxing, and then also doing, you know, having fun at the same time, like planning events or planning to go places or planning to see people. Like, you have to do all those things in 2 days, and sometimes it's just not enough time. Not enough time. So anyway, I'm gonna get started, and I think I'm gonna watch Paradise on my live. You guys were talking about Paradise and Cross, so I wanna binge watch those, and I'll probably watch like an hour of it or whatnot. I need to fold my towels because there are no clean towels. There's like one clean towel left in the house. So that's what I'm gonna fold first. So hang out with me while I fold clothes for a little bit, and then we'll probably go out to dinner later. You know what? I do have something else to show you guys. I got a package in from ASOS. Let me go get it. It just got here, so hold on. I got this bag from ASOS. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, she is so cute. Oh, she is so cute. And you know what this is a dupe of? This is a dupe of the, I think it's called the Gucci Super Bit GG bag. I'll post it on the screen, but it looks just like this. Literally. This is so cute. Imagine this with my new blazer. Oh, it's like green. Y'all know I'm obsessed with this color right now. This green, I thought it was more yellow. The color says khaki, but this is like a greenish yellow color. I don't have anything like this. And I just love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. It has two handles like this, and then it opens like this. Ooh, I usually don't like spend a lot of money on bags that aren't like real leather. This wasn't expensive, but I try not to buy too many like, you know, faux leather bags. But if I like this style enough, maybe I'll go look for a similar Gucci bag at a later time. But the one that's newer from Gucci looks just like this. And I love this little horse bit. So I thought this would be cute like as a shoulder bag. This would be cute as a shoulder bag, or like a little clutch. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Like a little clutch, like a, put the handles inside. And of course, this is probably the way I'll wear it most. This is so cute. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I will link this below. That's all I bought from ASOS was this. I also bought a brown leather top, but we're gonna see if that fits first before I recommend it. But that's cute. So I'm just going through like, even with the purple, oh. Is it giving Easter Sunday? Is it giving Easter Sunday? It's kind of giving Easter Sunday, you know? But look at it with the blazer. Oh, Mama Aunt, because it looks like yellow against it. Oh, ooh, ooh. Look, here we go. Wait, with this. Oh no! Look at that. With this here. Come on. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, that color is so good. Oh. I'm gonna link it, I promise. I'm trying to do better with the linking. I'm trying to do better with the linking. Just come on. I feel like this is gonna be like my spring color scheme. Browns, this like yellowish, greenish color. This bag will be in heavy rotation. Wait, even with this, like, I'm just like, I will wear this with everything. Oh. I like to just take things and just go across my closet like this and see if it works with stuff. Hold on. Y'all can't see what I'm doing here. See, I'm just going through and kind of like throwing it on stuff. Oh, with the stripes. Oh, through the stripes, I am healed. Amen. Okay, I gotta fold clothes. I hate doing laundry. I'm avoiding it, and I need to hurry up and get it together. I just wore this and threw it on here. Didn't even button it back up. Let's see. Okay, y'all, I got to go. I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing.